In this question, let's find out two things. Without the use of calculator, can we going to solve this completely, or is it going to give us a simplified version of this expression? Let's learn how to solve. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with friends and colleagues, and remember to subscribe to my channel for more simplified maths content. Now, do you notice that the base of all these expressions can be made to have same base? Of course, I have 2, 4, 8, and I can make all of them to have one common base, and that common base is 2. 2 to the power of 2 will give me 4. 2 to the power of 3 will give me 8. Now let's do that. If I have 2 to the power of 3, 2 to the power of 3 is equal to 8, and I have 2 to the power of 2 is equal to 4. If I have 2 to the power of 1 is equal to 2. So if I change all those expressions, I'm now going to have this expression to give me 2 to the power of 11, which is there, plus 2 to the power of 2 multiplying 11, plus 2 to the power of 3 multiplying 11, right? And all this will be divided by 2 to the power of 3 multiplying the power of 11, and this will be minus what? Minus 1. Great. Now what do we do from here in the next step? In the next step, we're going to simplify. Remember, according to the law of indices, if I have a to the power of x multiplying the power of y, I can simply turn this to become a to the power of y multiplying the power of x, right? So if I do that, I'm going to have those expressions to now give me, this expression will now give me 2 to the power of 11 plus 2 to the power of 11 multiplying 2 plus 2 to the power of 11 multiplying 3, right? And that will give me what? The denominator, which is 2 to the power of 11 multiplying the power of 3, and this would be minus 1. Now with this expression, I have 2 to the power of 11 reoccurring. Now I can decide to say, let my 2 to the power of 11, let y be equal to 2 to the power of 11. That simplifies my expression. So if I do that, I'm going to have that expression to now give me y, right, plus y squared plus y to the power of 3 divided by y to the power of 3 minus 1, and this will give me what? That's exactly what the solution will be. Now in the next step, I'm going to simplify further. If I simplify further from the numerator, we'll have one common y, right? And that one common y, if it comes out, this will give me 1. Y squared divided by y will give me what? Y, plus y cubed divided by y will give me y squared, right? And this will be divided by y to the power of 3. I can make this to be minus 1 to the power of 3, and this will give me a solution I'm looking for. Good. In the next step, I'll have to recall my mind back to an algebraic expression. Do you recall that algebraic expression? If you have a to the power of 3 minus a to the b to the power of 3, this can be equal to a minus b. This is an algebraic expression multiplying a square plus ab, then plus b square, right? So the denominator can be expanded to this. So if I expand the denominator, I'm going to have the numerator to remain the same, which is y multiplying 1 plus y plus y square, right? And that is what that expression gives me. Then this will be divided by, this is going to give me, remember, my a is y minus 1, and then I'll have my a y square plus y multiplied by 1 plus 1 square, right? Good. and this will give me what solution. Let's expand this. In the next step, we're going to have the solution to become y multiplying y plus y square, and all of these will be divided by y minus 1. I have my y square plus y plus 1 square is 1, right? And this is going to give me what solution. Now, do you notice that we have same value almost in the denominator? I'll have to rearrange to ensure that I have y 1 plus y plus y square, and this will be divided by y minus 1, right? I'll have 1 plus y plus y square. Because we have positive sign holding all of them, we can rearrange. Now in the next step, you'll find out that this whole thing will cancel out this whole thing, right? And then we'll be left with y divided by y minus 1, and this is going to give us this solution. Now, from that expression, you are going to start asking yourself, remember, this is not going to be the final solution. Recall that we took the value of y to be equal to 2 to the power of 1. So if we take that value, 2 to the power of y, we said our y is equal to 2 to the power of 1, right? So if we insert the value of 2 to the power of 1, we'll have that expression to give us 2 to the power of 11 divided by 2 to the power of 11 minus 1. So if we simplify this expression, we're going to get the solution. To simplify this expression, recall that 11 can be equal to 10 plus 1. So I can simplify that to give me 2 to the power of 10 plus 1 divided by 2 to the power of 10 plus 1 minus 1, and this will give me a solution I'm looking for. Now if I simplify that, recall that in an algebraic expression, if you have a to the power of x plus y, this can be equal to a to the power of x multiplying a to the power of y, right? So if I do that, I'm going to have that expression to now give me 2 to the power of 10 multiplying 2 to the power of 1 divided by 2 to the power of 10 multiplying 2 to the power of 1 minus 1, right? And this will give me what solution? Let's look at that. Now from maths, we can find out that 2 to the power of 10 have a constant value, which is 1024. That is easier bring out, is easier to bring out. Then we'll have 1024 multiplying 2, and this will be divided by 1024 multiplying 2 minus 1, and this will give me what? So if I simplify this, I'm going to have the expression to give me 2 times 4 will give me 8, 4, 0 and what? And 2, and this will be divided by 2, 0, 4 and 8, right, minus 1. This will give me the solution I'm looking for. So if without this 1, I would have just divided this to give me 1, but since I have 1 here, I have to subtract it. So this is going to give me 2048 divided by, if I subtract 1 here, that will give me 2047. Voila, just a difference of 1, and that will give us the solution to that math expression given to us up there. So we see this is the final solution to that math question given to us up there. So without the use of calculator, we can solve this using algebraic expression. Very easy. I know you did enjoy watching this math solution. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with friends and colleagues, and remember to subscribe to my channel for more simplified math content. Thanks so much for watching, and bye bye for now.